welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. I hope you all are doing great. So, in the last video, we learned about tables. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in HTML forms. Almost every website you use daily, like Instagram, Gmail, YouTube, login, everything uses forms. First, understand today topics, form, label, input, button. Then we will do practical step by step. What is form? Now, don't think form is something complicated. Let me explain in it very simple way. A form is used to collect data from user like name, email, password. A form is just a way to collect information from user. That's it. Now think about real life when you fill a school admission form, when you log in into Instagram, when you create a Gmail account, when you book a ticket online. In all these cases, you are entering information and that is called a form. If someone asks in interview, what is HTML form? HTML form is used to collect user input data like name, field, password. It is used in login, sign up, and contact pages. Now, if you don't practice, you will forget. If you practice yourself, you will understand everything clearly. Now, let's start practical step by step. Create form tag. Form, sorry, form. This is main container where all input field goes. Why we use label? Label is used to tell user what to enter, name, email, password. Without label, user will not understand what to type. Why we use input? Input is used to take data from user, text, email, password. See here live code example. Label is name, input type is text. This is a label and this is input. Text used for name. Email input type used for email format. Password used for hidden input. Now, guys, form is not just one simple input. It has different type of inputs. Text, email, password, number, date, radio, checkbox. Radio input type use single selection. Checkbox input type use multiple selection. Date, date of birth, number, age, password, hidden text. That's it. Why we use button? Button is used to submit the form data. Without button, form is useless because data cannot be sent. Now let's create a simple login form. We will do practical back to VS Code. Now let's create a simple login form. I am typing form tag. Always close the tag form. Okay. Inside the form, write heading. Heading is login form. Label email. Next is input type. Input type is email. Next label is password. Password. Password and add input type for password. Input type is input. Type is password. Now create the button for login. Button login. Save and check email, password and login. Type input here. Type password. I'm typing dummy password. gmail.com. Password is and login. So this is complete login form. So remember one thing. Form use data collection system. Input use user type field. Label use field name. Button submit action. Now connect this with real website in Instagram login, Gmail login, Facebook sign up. All of them are built using form. Now try this yourself. Create a login form, create a sign up form, add name, email, password, fields, add submit button. So guys, today we learn HTML form step by step with real example and practical coding. Today we learn what is HTML, why we use label, why we use button, why we use input type. In next class, we will learn HTML5 structure, header, section, article, and footer. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Thank you for watching this video.